Hi students, welcome to 6th Max class. See, our topic is perimeter and the area. First of all, we want to know about what is the meaning of perimeter and what is the definition of perimeter. The perimeter is nothing but we want to calculate the length of the boundary of any closed shape. It's called what is it? Perimeter. For example, see, you take this shape. Okay, we want to calculate the length of the boundary of this shape is called what is it? Perimeter. Length of the boundary. Can you understand or not? Yes. The unit of perimeter is the unit of length itself. Okay, the same way next area. What is the meaning of area? See, the surface occupied this shape. Okay, the surface occupied this shape is called what is it? Area. Can you understand the meaning of perimeter and area? Yes, perimeter means the length of the boundary. Okay, we want to calculate the length of the boundary. It's called as perimeter. The surface occupied this shape is called what is it? This is the area. Okay, now we are going to see some examples. We want to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Of a rectangle shape. How to draw rectangle? Yes, the opposite sides are equal. Yes or no? This is called what is it? Rectangle. This is the length. This is the breadth. Here also length. Here breadth. We want to calculate of perimeter. Yes or no? What the form? How to find the formula? Yes, perimeter of a rectangle. Yes or no? Yes. See equal to we know the formula of definition of perimeter. Yes or no? The total boundary of the shape. Yes or no? Yes. So total boundary shape. Which shape here? Rectangle. So total boundary here length. So length plus next here breadth plus next here also length plus breadth. We want to find. We want to add this. Yes or no? How many length here? 2 length. So 2 length plus 2 breadth. Okay, you want to take a common in 2. Yes or no? So you take it out 2 in a common into L plus B. So what is the formula for a perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth units. Same way we want to find the perimeter of square. Now we want to find the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. Square means the 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are equal. This is square. Here one side. Here one side. The side. Okay, yes. So we want to calculate the perimeter of square. What is the formula? What is the definition of perimeter? Yes. Total boundary is total boundary or total length of which shape here? Square. So side plus side plus side plus side. How many sides total here? 4 sides. So the perimeter of a square is what is the 4s units. In same way we want to find the perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle. Okay, you know triangle means 3 sides. Okay, see this is side 1. This is side 2. This is side 3. We want to calculate the perimeter of triangle. Yes, here also total boundary. Boundary of triangle. Yes, see here side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. In this side 1, side 2, side 3 we are representing A, B, C like this. Okay, so side 1 we are representing A, side 2 is represented as B, so side 3 is represented as C. So the perimeter of triangle is A plus B plus C units. Suppose These three sides are equal means. Okay, this is also triangle, no? Three sides are equal. Here also A, here also A, here also A. So how can we write the three sides are equal means? Three sides are equal means, that means equilateral triangle. Okay, equal means the perimeter of triangle is A plus A plus A. Yes or no? I mean three sides are equal. So 3A units. Actually we know the formula for a perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square and perimeter of triangle. Now we are going to discuss about some problems. Okay, see the example 1 problem. If the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeter, what is that? Length of the rectangle is 12 centimeter and the breadth is 10 centimeter, then find its perimeter. We want to calculate which perimeter? Yeah, rectangle, perimeter of rectangle. So, first of all, we want to write a given length. Yes or no? They given a length. We are representing length L. Okay, so length how much? 12 centimeter. Next, then the breadth. We are representing breadth is a B. So 10 centimeter. Now we want to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. What is perimeter of rectangle? So what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Already we have discussed it as 2 into L plus B units. Yes or no? Yeah. See here 2 into, what is the length value here? 12. Yes, plus, what is the breadth value? 10. So unit, what is the unit? Centimeter. Yes, so 2 into, about 12 plus 10, what is the answer? 22 centimeter. Now we want to multiply this 2 value. Okay, so 2 into 22, that means 22 into 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 44 centimeter is the perimeter of rectangle. What is the answer for this? Yes, perimeter of rectangle is 44 centimeter. Can you understand the first question? Yeah. See the second problem here. See example 2. The side of a square is 5 centimeter. What is this? Side of a square is 5 centimeter. Then find its perimeter. Which perimeter we want to calculate? Yes, the perimeter of square. First given the side value. You are representing yes. Yes or no? Yes. The side how much centimeter? 5 centimeter. Now we want to calculate the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. So what is the formula for perimeter of square? Yes. 4 into S. That means 4S units. Is? Yeah. 4 into, what is the side value? 5. The unit is centimeter. So 4 5s are 20 centimeter. The perimeter of square is how much? 20 centimeter. Now see the next problem. See here. Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. What we calculate here? Yeah, perimeter of triangle. Yes or no? Before, what they given? The sides are, we are representing in triangle sides A, B, C. Likewise, yes or no? So A equal to how much? 3 centimeter. Next to B equal to how much? 4 centimeter. And C equal to 5 centimeter. We want to calculate the perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of a triangle. What is the formula of perimeter of triangle? Yes, A plus B plus C units. What is the A value? 3 plus, what is the B value? 4 plus, what is the C value? 5. Units is a centimeter. Yes, see 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 centimeter. The perimeter of triangle is how much? 12 centimeter. Can you understand the problem or not? Yes, the perimeter of a triangle values Formula is A plus B plus C units. Just we are applying, substituting this value and add. Okay, ma? Now see the next problem. See, find the length of the rectangular blackboard. We want to calculate what we calculate. Find the length. Okay, ma? Length of the rectangular blackboard whose perimeter is 6 meter and the breadth is 1 meter. When before problems, we are calculating easily perimeter, but in this problem, they given a perimeter value. We want to find a length. Okay, ma? See, first given perimeter of rectangle. They given. Yes or no? Perimeter of a rectangle. They given. Perimeter of rectangle how much? 6 meter. Next is the breadth. Breadth is 1 meter. We want to calculate what? Length. We want to calculate length only. What is the formula for a perimeter of rectangle? Yes. 2 into L plus B. Yes or no? Perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. The total perimeter they given how much? 6 meter. Here 2 into, we want to find a length value. So length plus, they given a breadth also. Breadth how much? 1 meter equal to 6 meter. Just you here keep it out. Length plus 1 meter, keep it here. See 6. In this 2 occupied here a multiplication value. So goes to equal side means definitely it's a divided. Okay, ma? So 6 by 2. So 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. So length plus 1 meter equal to 3 meter here. Okay, ma? We want to calculate this length value only. So length equal to 3. Here plus 1 goes to equal side means definitely minus 1 meter. So the length value is 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 meter. The length of the rectangular blackboard is 2 meter. What is the length value? 2 meter. Abu, can you understand the problem or not? Yes. They given a perimeter value. We want to calculate length. So you just write the formula and substitute this value. Easily you are find out. Okay, ma? Yeah.